Welcome to my channel. This is your host, and today we have an incredible treat for all the car lovers out there. We'll be taking a look at the highly anticipated match between the Tesla Model S Plaid and the Porsche Taycan Turbo S from a one-of-a-kind point of view, the POV Onboard perspective. It is hard to believe that it has been almost 3 years since the last time we saw these two speed demons duke it out on the racetrack. But today we've got a rematch that will leave you on the edge of your seat. Imagine being right there in the cockpit, feeling the adrenaline rush as these enthusiasts accelerate from 0 to 60 in mere seconds. It is an experience that will make you feel like you're behind the wheel of one of these technological marvels. Alright, let's talk specs. The Tesla Model S Plaid boasts an insane acceleration of 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.99 seconds. That means you lines be pinned to your seat as you experience the sheer power of this electric sedan. The top speed is 200 miles per hour, so once you get up to speed, you'll be flying down the highway with ease. With 3 electric motors that produce a combined output of over 1100 horsepower, this beast has plenty of power to spare. And with a 1000-watt charging system, you won't have to wait long to recharge your vehicle. Now let's shift our attention to the Porsche Taycan Turbo S. This German sports car is no slouch either. It has an impressive acceleration of 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds. Not quite as fast as the Tesla, but still incredibly quick. The top speed is 180 miles per hour, so it's still capable of reaching breathtaking speeds. Powered by 2 electric motors that produce a combined output of around 720 horsepower, the Taycan Turbo S still packs a serious punch. It might not have the instant torque of the Tesla, but it certainly has enough power to satisfy any need for speed. So what can you expect when you watch this POV Onboard video? Imagine yourself sitting in the driver's seat as the race begins. You'll feel the tension as both drivers hit the accelerator, propelling their cars forward with lightning-fast speed. The POV perspective gives you a sense of what it would feel like to be in the car as it zooms past the competition. As you watch, you'll notice the sleek design and luxurious interiors of these high-end EVs. The Tesla Model S Plaid offers a spacious cabin with cutting-edge features like the yoke steering wheel and a massive touchscreen display. Meanwhile, the Porsche Taycan Turbo S boasts a more traditional interior with 2 large screens flanking the steering wheel. Both cars are designed to impress with their combination of performance and style. Now let's talk about the driving experience. As you watch the POV Onboard video, you'll experience the thrill of high-speed cornering and braking as these cars navigate the racetrack. You lines feel the G-forces pulling you down into your seat as the cars change direction with incredible speed and precision. One of the standout features of the Tesla is its autopilot system, which helps the car stay in lane and even park itself. While the Porsche doesn't offer self-driving capabilities, it does have a number of advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Now let's discuss the technology. These 2 cars are at the forefront of automotive innovation. The Tesla Model S Plaid is packed with cutting-edge features like its advanced battery pack and powertrain, as well as its over-the-air update capabilities. The Porsche Taycan Turbo S also has a state-of-the-art powertrain and chassis, as well as a number of advanced driver assistance systems. Both cars have impressive sound systems. However, the Tesla takes things to the next level with its optional sound package that includes a virtual sound experience for the driver that can be adjusted through the touchscreen display. And let's not forget about the cargo space. The Tesla Model S Plaid has a spacious trunk with a large opening and easy access, while the Porsche Taycan Turbo S has a smaller trunk with a more limited opening. When it comes to pricing, the Tesla Model S Plaid starts at around $100,000, while the Porsche Taycan Turbo S starts at around $180,000. In conclusion, the Tesla Model S Plaid and the Porsche Taycan Turbo S are 2 of the most impressive electric vehicles on the market. With their sleek designs, powerful engines, and advanced technology, These cars are sure to impress anyone who gets behind the wheel. Now, it's time for you to join the conversation. Which car do you think is better and why? Do you prefer the more traditional approach of the Porsche or the cutting-edge technology of the Tesla? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. And if you're still hungry for more, we've got plenty more videos to keep you entertained and informed. Don't miss out on our upcoming content, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the road. Here's another 2 videos we think you might like.